This is the Mindful Tito, and today we'll be talking about something simple but powerful, the art of saying no. Number one, no is a complete sentence. Hindi natin kailangan mag-explain ng paulit-ulit. Boundaries are healthy, and a simple no is valid on its own. Respect your own limits the same way you respect others. Number two, every yes to others is a no to yourself, unless it aligns with your values. Kung pumapayag tayo dahil lang sa isang guilt o pressure, tayo rin ang mauubos, di ba? Parati nating i-check kung align ba sa priorities natin yung yes na ibibigay natin sa tao. Yung totoong yes dapat galing sa puso, hindi galing sa takot, hindi galing sa pressure. Number three, we can pour from an empty cup. Pag palagi lang tayong oo na oo, tayo rin ang mauubos at mababurnout, di ba? And no minsan ay space para makapagpahinga at makabawi tayo ng energy. Protect our energy. Kasi a healthy no means we prioritize the people and the things that truly matter. Number four, boundaries are a sign of self-respect. Saying no ay hindi rejection, it's clarity. Itinuturo nito sa iba kung paano dapat tayo nakatuhan. And it builds more stronger and more respectful relationships. People who value you will respect your no. Kung hindi, problema na nila yon at hindi na sa atin. And number five, every no today is making space for a better yes tomorrow. When we guard our time and energy, we're choosing wisely. Saying no clears the path for opportunities aligned with our goals and peace of mind. Just trust your no is not closing doors, but it's opening the right ones. Kaya next time na mahirapan tayong magsabi ng no, tandaan natin, our mental health is reason enough. We don't owe long explanations for protecting our peace. Say no with kindness, but with firmness. Dahil ang bawat no ay yes naman para sa mas mahalagang bagay para sa atin. Saying no is a yes sa ating pahinga, paghinga, balanse sa buhay, self-respect, at happiness. This is your Mindful Tito, reminding you, mindful choices create a mindful life. Ingatan mo lagi ang isip at puso mo. Catch you next episode.